Hello and welcome to Fund Matrix. If you're new to investing, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start investing in 2025 with just $100. Let's get started. Before you invest, you need to understand the types of investments. 1. Stocks: own a piece of a company. 2. ETFs: baskets of stocks, safer for beginners. 3. Crypto: digital assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum. 4. Bonds: loans to governments or corporations. With just $100, your goal should be diversification and low fees. That means using the right platforms. Here are some trusted, beginner-friendly platforms. Robinhood US commission-free. Webull US stock plus crypto. eToro global stocks and crypto. Binance crypto-focused. Trading 212 Europe and UK. M1 Finance long-term ETF investing. Link to all platforms is in the video description. Choose one based on your region and goals. Let's break it down with realistic options. Option 1. ETFs recommended. Why safer, diversified? Example. Invest in Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Minimum $1 via fractional shares. Option 2. Fractional stocks. Invest in companies like Apple, Tesla, Microsoft. Use fractional investing to buy small pieces of big stocks. Option 3. Crypto, riskier. $25 to $50 into Bitcoin or Ethereum. Use trusted apps like Coinbase or Binance. Option 4. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Start with as little as $10. Earn passive income from real estate. Try Fundrise or Public. Tips to maximize your $100. Use zero commission apps. Avoid emotional investing. Invest for the long term, not a quick flip. Reinvest dividends. Keep learning, this is just the beginning. Avoid penny stocks, crypto scams, forex get-rich traps. You started with $100. Now make it a habit. Tip: set auto-invest weekly or monthly. Even $10 per month matters over time. $100 invested plus $25 per month, $5,000 plus in 5 years with compounding. Want to see what happens if you invest $100 every month? Subscribe and watch our next video. From $100 to $10,000, Investing Growth Plan. Links to all apps, ETFs, and crypto wallets are in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe to Fund Matrix. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss money-smart content. Thanks for watching Fund Matrix. Your journey to smart investing starts now. Not when you're rich. Start small. Think big.